Welcome back to our final episode of our Thanksgiving series. I'm Chef Aubrey. Today we'll be doing our great Thanksgiving dressing. Here I have 2 boxes of our Jiffy cornbread mix. I also have what you always see when you first walk in the store during the holiday season, is our breadcrumbs. So first I got the cornbread crumbles. Next I'm gonna go my Holy Trinity, again, which is your onion, peppers, and celery. Now here I have a can of cream of chicken and a cream of celery that I want to add to this mix. And I want to add all my seasonings here, which I have sage, garlic powder, garlic pepper, seasoned salt, onion salt, and garlic salt. Now at this point, I personally like to add chicken or smoked turkey to my dressing. And last but not least, eggs. Chicken quarter over here, so I got a leg and a thigh boiling to make my homemade chicken broth. So once I drain this off into here and I'll be ready to pour it up. Get a real good mix. And I just added a little bit more of my breadcrumbs to thicken it up a little bit. Get a real good mix, make sure everything's mixed up. Have our baking dish here, and I'm gonna spray this with some Pam. All right, once we come back, we have this mixed up in our pan, ready for the oven. We're ready for the oven. The oven is preset at 400 degrees, and we're gonna cook this about 45 to 50 minutes. And here we have it, fresh, homemade cornbread dressing. You'll find this and more recipes on fox40jackson.com.